Hi, welcome to my place. This is a JANGOW 01 challenge from VulnHub. Uh, yeah, this is the challenge I'm talking about. This. So we're going to download this machine and start exploiting the challenge. So I already downloaded, and you can see it's on running on 118 MB. So for the realistics, I'm going to use Nest Discover on my eternal IP address, not my NAT, this from the host only address, and I'm going to do this. This is a basic Kali machine, so we don't need to. Okay, to run the Net Discovery, I have to use sudo, right? And on the interface, internet one. Okay, so after a while of running, we discover this IP. We'll stop. And this is the right IP. It belongs to the target machine. So next step, we need to know which part is opening on the target machine. The common tool is going to be the map using this and the specific IP we are targeting. This is discovering, and it discovered that the IP is opening on two bodies, 80 and 21. Okay, that's 80 is on a TCP, and I know that 21 is a FTP service, and 80 is the is hosting a web using Apache. That is right new, where we know that information. So we're going to go on the website on a 80 port and a specific IP targeting. Okay, you can see that it have a website. Okay, the website going into this. It's just a simple, not public website. It's a broken website. It doesn't have any use of this. Okay, so this is about the bookmark on the URL projects and the cost doesn't have any of this. So we know that if you execute a postgre php, the URL will execute the PHP and will search based on the postgre, and I try to maybe do some simple command. I know that if I do a listing command, it will list on the file within this directory. So we're going to use this command to say, like this. I'm going to list directory is in here. And from here we know that they are this all the directory for this. The postgre PHP, like this, they are using this. So I'm wondering what's in it. So, like, because I can exploit, not serialize command on this. What's in it? And I realized that it has a system call and get the value within the find the value within the podcast like this. So it's using the system command. And that is a big vulnerability because it will use the guest methods pass through the URL and execute a command within the host machine. Okay, this is big step. So we know that it will execute the command, but the thing is we can only listen the command here. I cannot change directory. I will still be in the same directory like this. But I can do a. First we need to know what's in here first. Okay, there's WordPress. the HTML, CSS, CSS, JavaScript. I'm going to see what's wrong. WordPress is using this. Okay, it doesn't have anything informative about this, but I know this is a broken website projects. It had the same, you know, it doesn't have anything informative about this. So in this directory, you know that there wasn't anything important, so I will try to list the other directory within here. Like we will use to list the HTML to see this, if there anything in this. Okay, list all anything. I know there's a backup file, and I will run what's this here. So let's see. Well, this is the database configurations. Yeah, why not? Okay, I've got to save it here. So we know that there's a user name JANGOW01 and password is IP girl 69. Okay. Well, let's see if there's anything else. See. Okay, that's all. That's all. The index, WordPress, the access. So next, I'm going to, like we need to go to the detail, and I go to WordPress directory, and I also see this config PHP. So let's see what's in here. Oh, that's same things here. This is but another user. So let's save it. This. Okay, that's all the information we could find within this directory, and we know that there are two users right here. So we know that it's opening on another FTP 21 port. So FTP is the file transfer protocol. So basically we can use it to download or upload file, and but we need the privilege to do that, and we need the password. So we already get us username and password. So we will use this to try to connect to the target machine. 556 11 8. I don't let me check again. Okay, we ask for the user, so I did a try, and this is not a valid user, but this we'll use this JANGOW01, and the password is AB69. Okay, the login is successful. Okay, you guys see that this is a where am I? The apt doesn't have any specific command like the command route will be able to do. This is just a FTP service. So we know that we can connect on this FTP. So what's next? So we need to change the if we want the first flag. If we want the first flag, we need to go to directory home and to the user directory and list. So we say this is the user txt flag, and then we use this to download the flag. Okay, so we need sudo, right? So yeah, can't do anything about this. Okay, so we know that we need a not simply the apt connection, but we also need some command prompt operations, and we know that this will execute what within the system, and there's a way to get the command prompt operations using netcat, but solely using the that you can do some system within this directory is that we use reverse shell using pass command here. Okay, we will use this command because I already told you that this first query PHP using the system command, so we can use that command here. I'm going to pass it right here and change the IP. 6. Change the port to 2223, and we have to specific the command we will. Okay, so it will open the connections using netcat TCP method, and execute the bash command to this IP address. Oh, this IP address is the attacker, so it's this. Okay. Okay, so we will put the command here. But first, we need to do this. Listen for the connections to the machine. I'm going to listen on this and run this command. But the thing here, you can see that it's J to string to is in code URL, so we will need to copy this. For the command to run properly. Okay. Okay, let's try again. Oh, you can see it's executed the command, and now we have the bash. It doesn't have a fully functions, so we will need to include this. Try to include it again. Okay, and they export the T. Okay, now we can switch to the user we want to. This is the user we want. Okay, it needs the password too. Okay, we finish this and we will get the exit home, and this is not very easy to use. Okay, and then we get the user flag in here. Finish. Okay, there's another flag on sudo